going to talk a little bit about posture and how to change it by releasing our abdominal muscles. So if we've been sitting a lot doing Zoom meetings or on your computer or doing whatever you do repeatedly, maybe crafting, these muscles, if you're sitting in this position a lot, can become shortened and pull you down in this forward position, which can affect your low back, your neck, your shoulders, your digestion, your breathing, a lot of things. So if we can lengthen this out, open this back up, we can get a little bit better posture from the center, okay, of our body. So what we're going to use today is the foam roller, and you can see on Howard's sternum here that his rib cage looks kind of like a barrel, and we're going to trace the top of the barrel with the roller to release the muscles to open up. Okay, so grab your roller, you're going to come down onto your mat, put the roller right below the bottom rib. So find, you can just feel on yourself, find the rib, put your elbow down on the ground, okay, and you're going to put it right below that bottom rib. So you're on the soft nougaty center, and you're going to just trace the barrel, the top edge of the barrel, just rolling back and forth, just using your body as leverage here. You can put as much weight on it as you want, that is comfortable for you. If you find areas that are tight or feel particularly tender, you might want to stop on those areas. Just let your body melt into them. Take a few breaths. Hold out there for about 30 seconds. Even to 90 seconds is fine until that kind of releases a little bit, and then move on. Okay, and just keep tracing there. So you're going to do that again for about 30 to 90 seconds, that little roll back and forth, and then come to sitting and take a big breath in and compare. You might feel how this side can open up a little bit more on that inhalation, and then let's do the other side. And we're always comparing, because as we do these stretches and these rolls regularly, and we compare, the brain starts to recognize that open, loose feeling as normal. And so we basically set up a new nervous pathway so that you have better resting tension of the muscle, and it can create better posture over the long term. Again, just scan this area, just find where you're feeling any tightnesses or particular points of tenderness, and stop on them. Breathe, allow your body to relax. And then just come to sitting. And take a nice big breath into your ribs. Feel how they expand. Feel how maybe you can sit up a little bit taller, because you've opened this area up where the abdominals attach, and that creates length here. And just feel good. So if you like that and you are interested in having more instruction on how to release muscles and how to lengthen connective tissue and fascia throughout your body, you might want to join me for one of my online classes. The link is in the description box below, and I have a list there of the classes that I run regularly every week, and the ones that are constantly changing. There's also education classes. So I hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments box below. I'd be happy to answer them, or any suggestions for videos you'd like to see. I'd love to do that for you too. So take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.